Put this strut brace back on for the first time in months and months and months. Only because it adds hundreds, if not thousands of horsepower. So it's definitely worth having on. So in a nutshell, to take one of these inlets off, it's actually quite easy. It just looks awful. If you just take off that and that bolt, those ones, and then you'll find down there another one there, and then on the other side, take all of those off, and then if you come underneath where the inlet is here, you'll see this little bracket under here. You can't really see where my finger is there. There's that one there, and there's one on the other side also. I think there's 4 there that you want to take off. Ideally, you don't need to take all of them off, but there's that one and the one above it, just hidden there. And then that whole thing will come off. There's a load of vacuum lines that you need to make sure that you're keeping an eye on where they go, because you don't want to take it all apart and put it back together and not know where they go. So I marked them out, took loads of photos to know what I was doing. But yeah, I mean, if you've got a standard airbox, you're gonna have to take that off differently to what I've had to do. But yeah, now I think I've finally done that bit. I'll get the strut brace back on, and I think we're finally there. So over to a time lapse of last Sunday's wonderful events. So last Sunday I did the cam cover, gaskets and all the spark plugs, and basically taking it all apart, putting it back together again was all good. I couldn't get the socket that I had off of my first spark plug, so I cracked the spark plug. So today I've just had delivery of a new spark plug, and down here there is a peculiar little device called a gas filter or something like that. I managed to snap the end off of that so the vacuum line doesn't stay on it, so basically the car doesn't really run very well. I've managed to make it run by T-piecing it off another part of the vacuum sort of system, so it does idle, but I'd rather it was right. So I'm going to quickly change this spark plug out. Now I've got the new one, and hopefully once this is all back together the car should be up and running again. And I've missed out on the opportunity for an MOT today, but I was going to get an MOT to try, see if it passed, and then tomorrow at Brands Hatch there is a show called Go to Japan, which I was thinking of going to, but I'm going to go over there with some other people and go in their cars, and it's probably good anyway, just for the idea of a bit of a shakedown. But yeah, I'm going to go in their cars, I'll probably get some pictures of that. But yeah, let's get this spark plug swapped out. Brand spanking new spark plug. So that's non-cracked spark plug back in. This one back in entirely. Click. Next up is the other bit that I broke, putting it all back together. So that hole down the bottom there, not this one, that one down there, basically this thing lives on it, and I managed to snap the end off of it, so then the vacuum didn't go on there, the little vacuum pipe, making the car not run, which was a pain in the backside. So been bailed out by someone on the Supra forum, bit of a legend. Had one just sitting there, brand new in its packet, never been used. So sent that out to me straight away, and I'm gonna get that fitted now. All I have to do is put that in there without snapping it, and in theory, other than the paintwork, everything is good for an MOT and to get it back on the road, and go from there. Well, that's the end of that video, and no MOT for today, but tomorrow off to Brands Hatch, hopefully to see this Go Japan show, so we'll see what it's like. I'll do some videos.